Hey boys and girls, for this activity you are going to need to find a buddy. You are going to be getting with your buddy and you are going to be looking at a series of pictures and you are going to talk with your buddy to decide the different properties of texture that you see in that item. Texture has to do with how something feels. So you are going to be trying to decide whether the items are hard, soft, rough, or smooth. You can use more than one texture to describe the type of matter that you see or to describe the object that you see. So since you need a buddy for this activity, please make sure that you have one. If you do not, you need to pause this video, go find a buddy, and then get settled somewhere to watch the video. If you already have your buddy, then we can just keep going. If you need to find a buddy, pause now, go find a buddy, and then restart. All right, friends, if you have a buddy and you are ready to take a look at the pictures, remember we are going to decide whether the items are hard, soft, rough, or smooth. You can use the cards that are in the pocket with this video to help you remember those words. All right, the first picture is a picture of a lollipop. Picture of a lollipop. Talk with your buddy. Which types of texture can you see in this lollipop? Is it hard, soft, rough, or smooth? The next picture is a picture of rocks. Talk with your buddy. Are the rocks hard or soft? Are they rough or smooth? Can you tell just by looking at them? The next picture across the top is a picture of a rusty chain. A rusty chain. Talk with your buddy and decide, would a rusty chain be hard or soft? Would it be rough or smooth? If you're not familiar with what rusty things feel like, you may have to depend on your buddy to help you out. The next picture we're going to look at is this bottom picture on the left that is a picture of an egg. Looks like an Easter egg. I can't wait for Easter to come. Hey, if you're listening to this while with your buddy, say the magic word to your teacher. It's Easter. When you tell her that, she'll give you a dojo point. Shh, it's a secret. All right, on this picture, you need to decide, is this egg hard or soft? Is it rough or smooth? Talk with your buddy. The next picture is a picture of a seashell. Again, you're going to talk with your buddy and decide, is it hard or soft, rough or smooth? Give them a reason why you think it is what it is. This next picture is a little tricky. This is a picture of hazelnuts. And if you look carefully at one nut, you may see that there's multiple textures here. So when you look at a hazelnut, decide, is it hard or soft? And then look at the two different parts. Do you think they're both rough or both smooth? Or do you think it might have two different textures? Talk with your buddy and see what you guys think. All right, 6 more pictures to take a look at, guys. This first one is a picture of icky, sticky mud. Talk with your buddy. First of all, is this hard? Is the mud hard or soft? And then secondly, decide with your buddy, is it rough or is it smooth? Give them reasons why you think what you think. Here's another picture of a rose. Can you tell your buddy whether or not you think the rose is hard or soft? And then tell them why you think it's rough or smooth. Make sure to give the reasons. Ooh, here's another picture. This is a picture of a slug. It's a slug. I want you to tell your buddy whether or not the slug, this creature, is hard or soft. And then tell whether you think it feels rough or smooth. And then see if you and your buddy can come up with another word that describes the way a slug would feel. What are other words that might describe how a slug feels? See if you can think of one. This next picture is of jelly beans. Yum, 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 yum. I'm thinking about Easter again. Those jelly beans. Alrighty. So, talk to your buddy. Is it hard or soft? That might be tricky. And then, is it rough or smooth? 2 more pictures left. There's an apple and a coconut. With both of those pictures, just go ahead and talk to your buddy. Decide whether you think that they're rough or smooth, hard or soft. Maybe you can compare these 2 objects specifically. Talk about the apple and the coconut. Think of other words you can describe them. Describe ways that they are the same based on what you see, and describe things that may be different based on what you see. And let's not just talk about texture on these 2. Maybe you can talk about color, size, shape. What are other properties of matter that you can talk about to compare the apple and the coconut? I can't wait to hear some of those discussions. All right, guys, have fun.